Ninja Turtles! Hello, my little friends! How are you? Today we are going to color Raphael, Michelangelo, and Leonardo together. I'm so ready. Let's get started. First, let's color Raphael. We'll make his mask and bandana red, just like his sword. Take your red color and start coloring with me. We are going to have so much fun. Let's color this part of his hand red. And don't forget to color his sword too. Now, let's color his body green, just like a real turtle. We are going to start with his face. Raphael has got red mask, and it's a real turtle. He's got a cool sword too. I like that. Don't forget to color his legs too. They are green. What's that? Oh, I know. That's his shell. What color should we use for his shell? That's amazing. We can use our green color. And we are going to color this part of his shell orange. Do you have a brown color? Take it and color his knee pads and belt. Well done! Now, it's Michelangelo's turn. He's the ninja with the orange mask. That's right! Orange. Let's color it orange. Michelangelo has got nunchako. Can you see it in the picture? Well done! Now, let's color his face and his body green. My favorite color. Do you like green like I do? Color with me. His face is green, his arms are green, and his legs are green too. I'm having the best time ever. I love coloring with you. It's it's time to color Michelangelo's shell. It's green. Now, this part of his shell is orange. Our Ninja Turtles look so happy. They are ready to fight. Now, don't forget to color his belt and knee pads too. They are brown. You know the colors. I'm so proud of you. Our last Ninja Turtle is Leonardo, the smart one. Kids, Leonardo's mask is blue, just like his sword. So, let's take our blue color and start coloring. Which Ninja Turtle is your favorite? Don't forget to color his sword too. You know what should we do, right? Let's color his face. It's green. And then we will color his body. His arms are green, his face is green, and his legs are green too. Don't forget to color his shell. Can you see his shell? That's green. And this part is orange. Nice guessing. His belt and his knee pads are brown. Wow, look at that. We are almost done. We colored 3 cool Ninja Turtles. Ta-da! Excellent job! For more videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, kids. Bye!